best motorcycle for beginners. KTM RC 390. The exhilarating world of motorcycling beckons, and for beginners, the choice of the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The KTM RC 390 has emerged as one of the best motorcycles for novice riders, offering an enticing mix of style, performance, and advanced features. In this comprehensive review, we will explore why the KTM RC 390 is an excellent choice for beginner riders, covering its design, performance, safety attributes, and overall appeal. Sharp and sporty design. The KTM RC 390 boasts a sharp and sporty design that captivates riders with its race-inspired aesthetics. It is a motorcycle designed to turn heads with its aggressive and aerodynamic profile. The motorcycle's sharp lines, distinctive split headlamp, and sleek fairings give it a striking and racy appearance. The RC 390 is an ideal choice for riders who seek the blend of style and sporty performance. Lightweight and agile. One of the standout features of the KTM RC 390 is its lightweight and agile build. Weighing in at just 324 pounds, this motorcycle is incredibly easy to handle, making it a superb choice for beginners. The low seat height and rider-friendly ergonomics ensure that riders can confidently touch the ground, providing added stability and control. These attributes make the RC 390 an exceptional option for those commencing their motorcycling journey. High-performance single-cylinder engine. The KTM RC 390 is powered by a high-performance 373cc single-cylinder engine, delivering around 43 horsepower. This engine provides impressive power for its size, offering exhilarating acceleration and speed. The engine's smooth and linear power delivery makes it manageable for beginners while providing the excitement of sporty riding. The RC 390's engine is designed to offer an engaging and dynamic experience while still being accessible for new riders. Sport bike handling. KTM has engineered the RC 390 to offer sport bike-like handling characteristics. Its responsive suspension and precise steering provide a thrilling and dynamic riding experience. The lightweight frame ensures that the motorcycle feels agile and poised, encouraging beginners to build their riding skills and confidence. Advanced safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for novice riders, and the KTM RC 390 integrates advanced safety features to enhance the overall riding experience. The motorcycle comes equipped with a sophisticated Bosch anti-lock braking system, ABS, which prevents will lock up during hard braking. ABS is a crucial safety asset, offering enhanced stopping power and control during emergency stops or on slippery surfaces. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its sporty intentions, the KTM RC 390 offers a reasonably comfortable and upright riding position. The seat and handlebars are well placed, ensuring that riders can enjoy their journeys without excessive discomfort or fatigue. The motorcycle's user-friendly ergonomics contribute to its overall approachability and appeal for beginners. KTM's racing heritage. KTM is renowned for its racing heritage and commitment to performance. The RC 390 is no exception, designed to reflect KTM's ethos of building high-performance motorcycles. This heritage and dedication to engineering excellence are apparent in the motorcycle's overall design, quality, and performance. Customization and accessories. The KTM RC 390 offers a range of accessories and customization options, enabling riders to personalize their motorcycles to their liking. Whether it's adding performance upgrades, unique graphics, or other styling components, the RC 390 can be tailored to create a distinct and individualized riding experience. Affordable price point. Affordability is a significant consideration for beginner riders, and the KTM RC 390 is reasonably priced compared to many other sport-oriented motorcycles. This attractive price point provides an accessible entry into the world of high-performance motorcycling, allowing novices to experience the thrill of sport bike riding without breaking the bank. Strong resale value. KTM motorcycles, including the RC 390, tend to hold their value well. This can be advantageous for riders who may decide to upgrade to a larger or more specialized motorcycle in the future. The RC 390 is likely to retain a significant portion of its initial value, which can be a financial advantage. Conclusion. In the realm of motorcycles for beginners, the KTM RC 390 stands out as an exceptional choice, offering a harmonious blend of style, performance, and advanced features. Its sharp and sporty design, lightweight and agile build, sport bike handling, and advanced safety attributes make it an ideal motorcycle for new riders. The RC390 offers an exciting and engaging riding experience, allowing beginners to build their skills and confidence while enjoying the thrill of high-performance riding. KTM's reputation for racing heritage, customization options, and the motorcycle's budget-friendly price point further enhance its appeal. In conclusion, the KTM RC 390 is a superb option for beginner riders, offering a thrilling and secure introduction to the world of motorcycling, all within an affordable budget. Whether you're a novice rider eager to explore the excitement of sport bike riding or an experienced rider looking for a high-performance machine, the RC 390 is a motorcycle that's certain to provide an exhilarating and satisfying riding experience.